This one is the third problem of the matrix of miscellaneous exercise of NCERT. First of all, go through the problem. The matrix A, which is 2 by 2 matrix given in the problem. We have to prove the statement which you can see. The approach of this problem will be similar as the approach of the first problem and second problem. That means we have to apply the concept of mathematical induction. First of all, you have to prove this statement for n equal to 1. Then we have to take the statement for n equal to k. And then most important, we have to prove the statement for n equal to k plus 1, right? Now let us discuss the solution in detail. What you can see, first of all, the statement has to be proved for n equal to 1. Place n equal to 1 in the matrix Pn. What you can see, the new matrix after putting n equal to 1, you can get 3, minus 4, 1 and minus 1, which will be the matrix A, which is given matrix. Hence, the statement is true for n equal to 1. Now put n equal to k and then you can get the matrix A raised to the power k equals to 1 plus 2k in the first entry. That means in the first row and first column. Now the next entry in the first row and second column will be minus 4k, and then in the second row and first column you will get k, and then in the second row and second column you will get 1 minus 2k. Now most important, we have to prove this result for n equal to k plus 1. Now put n equal to k plus 1 in the matrix A raised to the power n. Then you can get the matrix which is given, and that you can see. We have to prove this statement. That means we have to prove A raised to the power k plus 1 will be equal to the matrix 2k plus 3, minus 4k plus 4, k plus 1 and minus 2k minus 1 entries in this matrix. Now, first of all, write down A raised to the power k plus 1 as A raised to the power k into A using the property of exponent. As you can see, the matrix A raised to the power of k is the second result that you can see, and you have to write down that matrix in place of A raised to the power k, and the matrix A is given in the problem, which have the entries 3, minus 4, 1 and minus 1. Now simply apply the concept of multiplication of two matrices. After multiplication, you can get the entries of the new matrix, which you can see. This new matrix is simply A raised to the power k plus 1. Hence, the result is proved for n equal to k plus 1. That means the result is proved for any positive integer n, right?